Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? It's me, your boy Corey, back with some more new stuff. I know I've been gone a while, been having some real family trouble and stuff, but I want to jump right into what's going on and what's new, what's happening, and how you can finally start seeing success online with the Legacy Builder Blueprint. And it's been made and put together by a seven-figure from zero to $1 million in 17 months. Her name is Michelle O'Neill. You probably heard her here on YouTube, throughout TikTok. She has put all her knowledge into a program, not a course, into a program, an interactive program where you get hands-on training where she works with you. We go live every once a week where there's about 3 lives. I'll show you over in the community calendar how many times they go live within a week to give you help, so that way you see success and growth in your online business with the Legacies Builder program and what they have to offer. So it comes in 4 digital product packages. Let me fix that real quick. In 4 digital product packages starting from 100 to $900. I'm currently at the $600 level, which is the digital mastery package in the program. Now, when I joined in at that level, I was already inside of her community before she started launching this program. So that grandfathered me into her $600 package, which is the digital mastery course. I started with IPS. If you new to my channel, I do market IPS. I still believe in it as a product and as a whole. But with the Legacy Builder program, what I love and I'm really loving about it is the community background and how it's very interactive and how everybody can you're able to learn and see success from other marketers who don't mind sharing the beans. No gatekeeping in this community. Now, just real quick, want to go over what's inside of this product here for you. Oh, what we got? So the digital growth community has started their own program to help you be a better marketer and help you find success in online marketing. If you're new to online marketing, they have step-by-step guidance to help you get up and going within 48 hours. They have what's called Launch to Profit in 7 days that can help you get up and going within 7 days to launch a profit. So right here inside the digital mastery product, you're gonna get lesson 1, the vision, income, showing you how what your expectations should be when it comes to joining an online business, building a reoccurring income streams, affiliate marketing. So if you still want to get into affiliate marketing, or if you're into affiliate marketing, you don't know how to get your product out there, how to reach that perfect customer, they're going to show you how to maximize your affiliate offers and stuff like that, and how to build a fan base directly to you. Email marketing, list building, and how to use ChatGPT to 10x your productivity, meaning how to use ChatGPT. We know we're in the world of AI, and how to use AI to help you come up with content ideas and that such nature. Then you have the launch pad right here. In the launch pad, you're gonna get learn what is passive income. You're gonna get the community. What is reseller? You're gonna learn about resellers, right? Automate your own business with Freedom Machine. So that what they're gonna give you right here is a totally done for you sales funnel, which we're looking at right now is the done for you sales funnel. How to set up your social media marketing, how to post free ads, and there's so much to learn in this opportunity. So when you come in at this would be the $600 level, you're going to get the launch pad and the passive daily blueprints included in, or you can come in for $300 with the passive daily blueprint, or for $100 the launch pad's profit. Now, And within this, you're going to get bonuses. The bonuses, you guys, are outstanding. There's so much growth that we have from what they're doing over in the digital growth community to help you learn and see success with digital marketing. If you want to learn more about this opportunity and get more into the cookies and crannies, I do have my website linked below. You can check it out. It's going to bring you over to the thank you page where our mentor Michelle is going to tell you about more about the business and the opportunity and how you can get started with the Legacies Builders program and have much more guidance when it comes to your online business. You're also going to get the community, which is the community. You get a daily video to show you what daily action steps you should take every day to maximize profit and to start seeing success in your business. Now, the training that they do in here, whatever type of business you have, you can do with this opportunity and with the teachings from Michelle. So she haven't pinned the new message up just yet, but I want to go over into the wins inside of this community. Just 12 hours ago, Karen Stenchen, excuse me, I'm not good with names. Boom, another 900 in less than 2 days of setting up. We receive our first daily play. Let's go, please. Thank you so much for this amazing business and community. Boom, she made another $900. That's their top packet with the Legacy Builder program. I'm gonna have a happy meltdown. Not only did my leads jump from 30 to 60, but I was able to give my notice at work today because of my side hustle pays me more. I get to earn 100% commissions. Guys, that is so awesome. That's so wow. This program is changing lives. $900 ding. There is nothing like getting that $900 ding. First thing on Monday morning, I'm now up to 30 leads, and I am so excited to be pulling my family out of the fences with this awesome opportunity. You see the people here are having such great success. It's changing lives over here with the digital growth community. Take you into your back office just real quick to show you. So I am at the digital mastery. So I do get the $100 daily blueprint, the the $300 passive daily pay, and the $100 launch pad. So if you want to see more about what this has offered, the link is in the description down at the bottom. My name is Corey, and that's my time with you. And I'll get back with you guys with another update on what's going on inside of the digital growth community.